Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fabulous find that has been turning heads this season. The best black denim dress for women. The Sidefeel Women's Smocked 3/4 sleeve button-down denim jeans dress. Whether you're dressing up for a night out or keeping it casual for a daytime outing, this dress is a versatile addition to your wardrobe. Let's start with the fabric. This dress is crafted from a blend of 90% cotton and 10% polyester, making it both breathable and comfortable. The denim material gives it that classic, rugged look while remaining soft against your skin. What's more, it's lightweight, so you can easily wear it throughout the day without feeling weighed down. Now, let's talk design. This dress features a smocked design along the sleeves, adding a touch of elegance and flair. The 3/4 sleeves provide a stylish balance between comfort and style, making it suitable for various occasions. The button-down front not only adds a trendy element but also allows for easy adjustments, whether you want to show a little more leg or keep it modest. Moving on to versatility, this black denim dress can be styled in countless ways. Pair it with ankle boots for a chic, edgy look, or dress it up with heels for a night out. Add some statement jewelry, a bold necklace or fun earrings, and you've instantly elevated your outfit. It's a perfect choice for a casual brunch with friends, a shopping trip, or even a relaxed date night. One of the standout features of this dress is its flattering silhouette. The cut is designed to highlight your figure without being too clingy, offering a comfortable yet stylish fit. The ruffles at the sleeves add a playful touch, ensuring you'll look effortlessly chic wherever you go. In terms of care, this dress is easy to maintain. With hand wash instructions, you won't have to worry about complicated laundry routines. Just a gentle hand wash and you're good to go. So, if you're in the market for a versatile, stylish, and comfortable black denim dress, the Sidefeel Women's Smocked 3/4 sleeve button-down denim jeans dress is a fantastic option. It's not just a dress, it's a staple piece that can transition seamlessly from day to night. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy shopping!